That's what you see now. Just watch very carefully. How many objects coming up and changing a direction and stop, be stationary. Just wondering what's going on over the Mexico City near to the Monument of Revolution. That what here you see now, that's the original view. Just to show you the date, time and a second. And after I'm going to zoom on it and enlarging, and I'm going to do step by step. You can't see the wings. That's not an aeroplane, guys, and not even a navigation lights on it. But what you see now, very soon, it's unbelievable, guys. I'm going to do frame by frame and I zoom on it, enlarging so you can see that the shape of the object. Please watch the full video because nobody else do the same footage like I do. I work very hard for it, and I do for the UFO research. Just I'm wondering why they send massive UFO sightings every night, every day over the Mexico City, and nobody do nothing. Just have a look now, you can see something going up, but that's very weird. They stop stationary, changing a direction. It's very weird what you see now. And this object is just coming down, going up, follow this top section of the object, and coming down. That could be anything, but what you see now, that's unbelievable, guys, and very weird. It's impossible to be a drone because they can't go close to the aeroplane. Something now, what you see now, they're going to change the direction. And they're coming back. It's too large to be a drone. Watch very carefully, guys. Watch the full video because they're worth it to see, to watch, because nobody do like I doing. I'm going to zoom on it now, stop, rewind them and zoom on it. And now, have a look now, 3 objects now are there. I'm going to rewind them now. Just following this object. A strange object, it's coming very soon. You can see near to the stop stationary, and you can see now that large object is coming up. Stop stationary, coming up. Stay stationary, coming down. Just wondering what's going on. Just following this object in the top section and look at the color of this object. It's green. Now this object is stop, stationary, another one is just move away, and they changing the direction. Gone. I'm going to do zoom on it, enlarging. And I do now frame by frame. Watch very carefully here where the cursor is, and you can see this object here. Soon. Just I do frame by frame, guys. You can see this object is flowing up. Just follow this object now. I'm going to move the camera up. you can see the shape of this object. That's frame by frame, guys. I'm moving your camera up a little bit. And you can see the UFOs there. Just watch very carefully, guys. And now, just behind the Monument of Revolution, and you can see this section here. Another UFOs is there, just like that here. And they stop front of the Monument of Revolution. How come this object is still now disappearing to the right side? And look at now, that's not in the cigar shape now. That's like a sphere UFO, sphere object, like another one. They're waiting for another object. It's moving up, and this object is on the bottom. Object is still stationary under this object, and now they start to follow him. Another object in the bottom, which one was cigar shaped object before, now it's a sphere one, start to follow the top section, top object. Moving up. Just wondering what the hell's going on over the Mexico City. And nobody knew nothing. Just let him to do this. Just I'm moving a camera. This happened in front of the people. Look at the shape of this object. Here you can see, guys, now this object is to be stationary. Changing a direction, another object in the top section, it just move away. And now speed up. I'm going to move the camera now. You can see now Another two UFOs there. Thank you to watch my video. Please make your comment on my video. Rating, like the video, rating and subscribe to my channel, please. Just watch very careful this object here, where the cursor is. Have to move the camera now. I go to zoom on it now a little bit, and you can see another strange object, UFOs, is there. I zoom on it like that. That's it. And you can see the object is stationary until another side they're coming out. Now they're flying up. Now it's like a space UFO. The both object is moving slowly, and the left side object is to be stationary, and now a little bit lit up, a similar size of this object. Stationary and waiting until they're moving a little bit forward, and they're going to follow him. They're coming down. Up. Now starting to follow him. It's enlarged version, guys. Please watch my full video, make your comment, rating, like it to my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Just watch very carefully what this object doing. They're going to be stationary again. Another object just disappearing. And this object is changing a direction now straight away, moving back where they're from. Here this object can fly front of the people and just front of this monument of revolution. And here you can see, guys, another 2 UFOs is just right there. They go back where they're from. I'm going to zoom out, and you guys, you can see now the original again. here this strange sightings happen. You can see now where the cursor is. The object is moving up. Too large to be a drone. And you can see now it's stationary. The bottom object is stationary, and now it's spare UFO. Notice the cigar shape now. Coming down, up again, and follow this top section object. Now it's going to follow him, the top section, top object. It's impossible to send them on the cloud high side that any drone up, because that's illegal. It's not a drone, that's a green something. That's everything is possible. That's to be, and you can see now, guys, near to the Monument of Revolution, another two UFOs smaller, and this object is coming down again. Where are they from? Thank you guys to watch video. Please make your comment, rating my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you to watch my video. And have a look here. One object, it was still stationary until the sun disappearing. It's now. Just watch very careful. It's a 3 UFOs there on a triangular. Now it's another 3 triangular formation. Tell me, guys, what is it? I didn't tell you this one during to the alien craft or something, because that's why we call him UFO, because that's an unidentified flying object. I know what it is, but it's look, that's normally like anything, but very weird, very strange. Just I'm wondering what the hell is going on, what they're doing. Another one coming up, exactly same what we was witnessing before. It's Mexican people celebrating something, but this one is very strange, very weird. Since go down very close to the distance to the houses. What the hell is going on? This possible alien abduction has occurred again. This object is coming down. What the hell is going on? Another two object is still there. Another two object. And it's a three object again. They're always flying in the triangular formation. That was a big jump.